Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Creating with the Heart, and I am back with a all Maggie Holmes haul. Before I get started, though, I wanted to give a little bit of a shout out to Laura's Craft. I think it's Laura's Craft Zone. I'm going to do a link in the description box to her video. She is celebrating 5,000 subscribers and actually has a really great giveaway. So go ahead and visit her channel. The link's down below, and I'll also put a link, if I remember, in the video. In the meantime, here is my haul. It's an all Maggie Holmes haul. The first thing I have is from Blitsy. Bought them from a couple different stores. I think just two. All my stickles. I got this new line from hers, which I think is called Willow Lane, and I did buy the chipboard stickers. Now, I was one of the fortunate ones to get, I think, two, I don't know what lines they are, but from Tuesday morning, I had hauled a couple of the chipboard pieces that I was able to get, chipboard stickers from Tuesday morning. But this was from, and I don't know where that went. Oh, here it is right down here. But anyway, this is from Blitsy. I did buy this, and I also got from Blitsy these stickers, and these are more of a lightweight sticker sheet. Lots of stickers on there. Got those. And then I got the new Willow Lane paper pad. And that, what I discovered is there's two paper pads. So I think from the other store, Simon Says Stamp, I think I got the other one. So I'll have to compare when I pull that one out. But this one has 6 gold foiled pages, and just really fun, really Maggie Holmes. The thing that I'm a little upset about is that her paper is single-sided. I really wish it was double-sided. It would just make crafting a little easier. I did buy the Flourish. Now these are 6x8 foiling as well, and I want to say that there's more than one of these paper pads. I really like the Flourish one. Very pretty. I got these rub-ons, which I'm not a huge rub-on fan, but I am trying to kind of think outside the box a little bit. They're white, so these would look better on obviously a dark colored paper, and they come with a little stick to, you know, rub them. Then I broke down and got this because I did go to Hobby Lobby hoping to find the leaf trim, and I didn't find it. And since I was already, you know, getting stuff from Blitsy, I went ahead and broke down and got the gold leaf trim. So to get that. And so that was from Blitsy. And then I bought some things from Simon Says Stamp. Now, Simon Says Stamp had a deal. So with any purchase, you got a free little mini stamp. This is Cocoa and Love. It's very cute. So I did get that for free. And then they do have a savings code, which is good until 8/31, which is $5 off. And so here is my haul. So I did get a different Willow Lane. So this is a 6x8 as well. It's got more muted type colors. So these are the two. So there's two pads that go with the Willow Lane thing. And then I did get Carousel, which I don't know. I could have bought it a million times and then just didn't. So I finally got it because it's going to probably disappear. I do love all the gold. And I love the swans. So got that. And then I got Flourish, which I also had bought a Flourish, which is different. So you got to be careful because there's more than one paper pad for these lines. So here's Flourish, and here's Flourish as well. This one comes with 24. This one comes with 36. This is 6x8. It has gold foiling in the 6x8, and then this has 36 sheets. And then I also got the ephemera pack for Flourish. So this has the beautiful flowers. It has gold leaves. butterflies. It says it has 5 vellum pieces. And then the last thing I got is the Willow Lane ephemera pieces. It says it includes 10 embossed pieces. Here's that, and then giving you an idea. And I know that some people are kind of disturbed by the dressed up panda and I don't know if that's a rabbit and a kitty cat or whatever. That's just kind of creepy. And it's a little creepy, but it doesn't really, bother me, so I'm fine with it. I think it'll make a cute project. And so that is my quick and easy Maggie Holmes haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy's Creating with the Heart.